Hello everyone, my name is Nurul Amira Natasha and I'm from Electrical Engineering Faculty. So in this video, I would like to show to you guys the product that I have been choosing for my business project for Technology Entrepreneurship subject. So I had choose Samyang, which is one of the popular ramen brands in Korea that had been sold in Malaysia market, and it was famous especially among young people. So it has a lot of flavor, but as my target market is UTeM student, so I had choose this flavor, which is one of the flavor that very hard to find in UTeM, and I had choose a flavor to sell to my fellow UTeM friends. So basically, Samyang Carbonara is an instant noodle that was very easy to cook anytime or anywhere just by preparing a hot water. And as you can see, there is a various type of packaging. There is in a cup, there is in a packet. So it is very convenient for students that live in a dormitory. It was very milkier as the flavor had a cheese. So just pour hot water and wait for the ramen to cook, and then you can mix it with the flavor that had been given in the packaging. So this product was very tasty and delicious, and it was very suitable for those who was always craving for a late night snack and those who had a stressful week, as it has a lot of taste in one meal. It is also can be eaten with a side dish that you like. And lastly, for those who had buy this product from me, I hope you guys can enjoy the meal with your style of cooking. I hope this product give you guys a smile if you had a gloomy day. So hope you guys enjoy, and thank you.